आप सही तरीके से एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, डाइटिंग कर रहे हो, फिर भी वज़न कम नहीं हो रहा. इमेजिन दिस, you eat healthy, go to gym, but the weight doesn't come down. Frustrating, right? The problem may not be your effort. It could be something hidden called chronic inflammation. Hello everyone, welcome to Self Care with Devjani. Today we are talking about a very important topic, inflammation in our body. Many people think inflammation means only swelling or pain. But actually, inflammation is the root cause of most of the lifestyle diseases. The good news is, with small daily habits, we can reduce inflammation naturally and feel lighter, happier and healthier. What is inflammation? Inflammation is our body's natural defense system. When something goes wrong inside our body, like any sort of injury, cold, cut or infection, our immune system becomes active and sends special cells to protect us. This is normal. But when inflammation stays inside our body quite for months or years, it becomes chronic inflammation. ये आपकी हेल्थ की साइलेंट एनिमी हो सकता है. Chronic inflammation can make your body store fat and stop you from losing weight, even if you diet or exercise. This long-term inflammation can damage your tissues, constant fatigue and tiredness, belly fat that won't go away, bloating and indigestion, joint pain, skin problem and acne or dull skin, headache, brain fog, mood swing and anxiety. If you feel this regularly, it may be inflammation. Now let us know how inflammation causes weight gain. Here's how it works. Hormone trouble. Inflammation messes with insulin and cortisol. Insulin resistance makes your body hold belly fat. Cortisol spikes and lead to fat storage and muscle loss. Slow metabolism. It can affect thyroid functions. As a result, calories burn slower. Increase hunger. Inflammation can make you crave sugar and junk food. मतलब ये आपकी गलती नहीं है, आपका बॉडी फाइट कर रहा है इन्फ्लेमेशन से. So even if you are dieting or working out, inflammation can block your progress. So what causes chronic inflammation? Some common causes are processed food, fried snacks, trans fat and sugary drink, stress and poor sleep, sitting too much, sitting for too long, no regular movement. छोटे छोटे हैबिट्स आपके शरीर को सीक्रेटली हार्म कर सकते हैं. Even if you think you are healthy, hidden inflammation might be holding you back. Everything starts with what we eat. Our gut is like the control room of our entire body. If our gut is healthy, it sends proper signal to the brain. That's why we feel energetic, calm and healthy. But if the gut is inflamed, it sends wrong signal to the brain, leading to stress, mood swing and low immunity. Choose right food. Eat fresh homemade food. Add fermented food like curd and buttermilk. Include fibers like fruits and vegetables. Whole grain. Drink enough water. Chew your food well. A healthy gut means healthy body and mind. Let's talk about few lifestyle habits to reduce inflammation. Drink enough water. Dehydration increases inflammation. Start your day with warm water and drink regularly through the day. Sleep on time. Rest is when your body repairs itself. Sleeping late or poor quality sleep keeps inflammation high. Try to sleep before 11 p.m. Daily movement. Our body is designed to move. 20 to 30 minutes of yoga or a simple walk daily reduces inflammation, improves blood flow and calms the nervous system. Avoid sugar and junk food. Sugar triggers inflammation instantly. Packaged food, bakery items, chips and biscuits all creates inflammation. Choose natural homemade food as much as possible. Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Seasonal food has the right nutrients your body needs in the current weather. It reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and strengthens immunity. Manage stress. Emotional stress is also a major cause of inflammation. Practice deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or simply taking out 10 minutes a day for yourself. Remember, weight loss is not always about working hard. Sometimes your body is silently fighting a battle you can't see. So, inflammation is not only one big problem, it is the result of many small habits. And the best part is, by changing few of these habits, we can reduce inflammation naturally and finally see the result we deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.